making the most of my visit to Mexico and on the hunt for the best tacos. I've had quite a few good ones so far and no real disappointments as yet. So, looking forward to this one. I'll probably wash it down with a tasty beer, Negro Modelo, or if I'm really lucky, a Dos Equis Amber, and quite possibly some jamaica, whether or not they have the beer. So stay tuned. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, or even more. I don't post everything to YouTube. Sometimes I throw out some pictures and tasty stuff I find just on my social media. So hang in there. And here comes an ambulance. Maybe someone ate too many tacos. I placed my order, and I ordered 5 real tacos with a corn tortilla and some jamaica to drink. They don't have beer. It's all good. Judging by several of the menu item names, they must be accustomed to gringos and gringas here, and they specifically asked me if I wanted onion and cilantro, of course in Spanish. Hey, cilantro is Spanish. Anyway, and the drink came with no ice. I'm sure that's for gringos. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to this. I saw another YouTuber came here, but theirs on pita bread. I'm having mine on the corn tortillas, their traditional way. So here's the tacos, and there's the sauces and the lime, and I'm ready to dig in, man. Taco time. Hey, I'm shooting this phone. This best angle I can give you. Verde sauce on the first one. These are very different than the others I've had. Taste quite lean, very tasty, spicy but not hot. Really good. I hope I eat all 5. For the second one, I'm going to try the Roja, Salsa Roja. This one's more picante. It's good. Wash down some jamaica. Oh boy. We'll do another Roja. Salsa Roja, that is. Boy, look at that tasty cilantro. Patio y Las Ranas has the best tacos al pastor I have had as yet in Puebla or anywhere else for that matter. The meat was generous and extremely tasty. So, if you enjoy this, give it a like, give it a share, leave some comments, and subscribe. Peace out.